Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your index finger and your thumb. So we're just gonna go down like this. So for me, I did it wrong. I did it on my other 3 fingers here, which is wrong. I should have it up just like that. That's how Bruce Lee had it. I think the reason why I did it like that is because my fingers are a little bit too big and Bruce Lee's fingers were probably a little smaller, just my assumption on that. But if you guys have any tips on that, on how to do that, please let me know. Comment down below and let me know if you have any tips on for people who have longer fingers. So for now, we're just gonna do it like this. I have my feet wider than my shoulder width, so I found that to be pretty easy. You could try it in a narrow area. I found it, for me, it was a little bit easier doing it this way. And then I put my arm on my back, and as I go down, I breathe as if I'm blowing candles out. And then when I go back up, I breathe as well. So breathing really helps you to do this push-up well. So from here, I'm just gonna go here, go down, go back up. Okay, just like that. You might think, well, that looks easy to do, but when you go down, then you get that fear. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna get back up. I don't know if I had that strength to get back up. So you really have to, sometimes you have to just tell yourself, come on, Jeremiah, or whatever your name is come on, you can do this. You can get up. You gotta encourage yourself and motivate yourself to push yourself up, because it can get pretty hard if you're not used to this kind of push-up. So I hope you guys try this push-up out and get stronger arms, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.